The first call by the executive to the judicial officers is to align their activities within the tenets of the Renewed Hope agenda, expressing determination to implement policies and promises made to Nigerians. Vice President Kashim Shettima outlined measures put in place to reposition the judiciary to include full complement of the 21 justices of the Supreme Court as required by the law for the first time after many years, and substantial increase in the salaries and emoluments of judges, which is currently undergoing legislative action.
I am, however, not oblivious to the successes and various achievements recorded by justice sector institutions. In this regard, I am fully aware of the long-fought battle and efforts of the Federal Ministry of Justice, which saved the nation from huge financial indebtedness and international embarrassment. I have also noted achievements in the area of legislative reforms, which resulted in the nationwide adoption of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act laws, as well as the nationwide adoption of the Child Rights Act, the enactment of the Police Act and related reforms.
The Vice President said the justice sector leaders and professionals need to find the right responses to the challenges faced through policy innovation and citizen-centered reform. He urged the leadership of all justice sector institutions to seek a new direction and focus on the outcomes of the summit by creating a justice system that truly responds to the needs of Nigerians. Senate President Godswill Akpabio commended the commitment of all stakeholders in the justice sector in building a consensus that will ensure a robust judicial system that guarantees justice for all, irrespective of background and social status.
We are committed to budgeting for the implementation of judicial reforms that will include the adoption of digital tools to manage cases more effectively and ensure that justice is neither delayed nor denied. The journey requires collective effort. So I call upon all stakeholders here today, including my colleagues in both chambers, and including the executive branches, as well as the states, particularly with the presence of the chairman of the Governors Forum, because if the states do not concur, we cannot have any major reform in the Constitution.
The revised draft national policy on justice is aimed at building a national consensus on the advancement of the justice sector towards constitutional, statutory, and operational reforms, which is imperative in meeting the aspirations and yearnings of the general public. In Abuja, Abraham